We have some big breaking news coming in. The crucial meeting between NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar and Prashant Kishore ends. The meeting lasted for about 3 hours. Remember, here we're looking at a possible third front in the making. Prashant Kishore has met with NCP chief Sharad Pawar and had a 3-hour-long meeting. Is it preparations on underway for 2024? The big polls is the question here. Let's quickly cut across to Anand Patel joining us live. More details on that. Anand, this of course is raising eyebrows over Prashant Kishore and NCP chief Sharad Pawar's 3-hour-long meet. What really do you think happened in that meeting there? Is it all preparation for 2024? What's expected?
Well, Nabila, the meeting lasted for around 3 hours, and Prashant Kishore, as usual, gave a miss to the media, which was waiting outside. We were told that the meeting took place for almost 3 hours, and both the leaders held one-on-one meeting. This is the second such meeting. The first one took place in Mumbai, remember, about 10 days ago. Not much came out of that meeting as well. But we are told that this is a possible, making of a third front, a non-Congress third front ahead of the 2024 polls. Now, Prashant Kishore, poll strategist, has had successful stints recently with both Trinamool Congress in West Bengal and DMK in Tamil Nadu. Both these regional parties, along with other similar parties, are looking forward to the 2024 elections as a counter to the BJP's Amit Shah and Modi juggernaut. Now, Sharad Pawar has come into this picture, has made the entire story very interesting. Now, Sharad Pawar already, the Shiv Sena had been asking him to make the UPA chairperson, which the Congress has completely rejected. Now, with Pawar being edged out by the Congress as far as the UPA is concerned, he's looking for a possible non-Congress coalition, like a national front of the regional Kshatrabs. Now, PK is going to play a very important role. If you connect these dots along with tomorrow's meeting, the National Front, a national forum which was floated by Yashwant Sinha and Shatrughan Sinha in 2018, when they were being edged out and sidelined in the BJP, this is a loose coalition of leaders, like-minded politicians, in which there are likes of D. Raja also, RJD leaders also, Aam Aadmi Party, Manish Tiwari of the Congress, Renuka Chaudhary of the Congress. So it will be interesting to see as to how this turns up tomorrow when these leaders call upon. Officially, we are being told that Sharad Pawar was not keeping well, and these leaders are just coming to meet him. It's a courtesy call. But it is much, much more than that.
Absolutely.
And it is being said that this is preparations for a third front ahead of 2024. Interesting to see if Congress is being kept out of this coalition or not, because without Congress, one cannot think of an alliance to edge out the BJP as far as on the national platform is concerned.
Well, we'll see how that pans out, because Congress itself, for the number of states it has significance now, is only growing smaller. So let's see how this third front really